What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to set up the SB15 15-inch speaker bag. So when we take a look at the inside of the bag, you'll see that it's padded along the sides, bottom, and top of the bag. And the padding on the top and bottom of the bag are actually Velcroed, so we can take them out depending on what we need for our speaker. The bag also comes with this square foam piece that serves many different purposes. For one thing, you can place it on top, on the side, or on the bottom of the speaker in your bag for extra protection. And for smaller speakers that you want to fit inside of the bag that don't fit nice and snug at first, you can take the foam pad and fold it and use it to wedge your speaker inside so that the speaker fits nice and snug. And you can wedge the foam pad either from the bottom, side, or top of the speaker. If the speaker does fit nice and snug inside, you can use the foam piece to cover up the amp plate on the back or any other weak points on the speaker. You'll also see these adjustable buckle straps here to keep our speaker sturdy when transporting from gig to gig. So before we place our speaker inside, I'm actually going to undo these buckles here. I'm going to keep the padding on the top and bottom on for now, but like I said, we can take them off because they're Velcro. So I can go ahead and place my speaker inside of the bag. I'm going to use the buckle straps here to keep my speaker secure. So I can go ahead and close up the top, use these zippers here to close up the bag. And what's also really cool is that these zippers have a hole in the middle so we can run a padlock through so no one can get inside. So along with the speaker, we can also use the bag to transport our speaker stand. To do that, we're going to loosen this pocket in the middle here. Then I can take my speaker stand and run it feet first. Run it all the way through so that the feet fit inside of this side pocket here. And then I can use this buckle strap on the other side to keep the top of my stand secure to the bag. Now you'll also notice that we have a plastic handle on one side and a padded handle on the other side, so we have plenty of options for transporting it around or picking it up. And we also have these straps on the top of the bag that we can also join together for a more secure grip. Lastly, we have this pocket on the front of the bag to keep smaller items like microphones, cables, etc. And once we're all set and ready to go, we can use any of the handles along with the trolley handle on the back of the bag so we can wheel it around to transport from gig to gig. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the SB15 15-inch speaker bag. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.